Luckily, I already had a trip planned to Memphis, Tennessee, so I had a chance to actually test out the Bellroy Transit Carry-On Plus, and oh boy, do I have some comments on Bellroy's latest luggage collection. Let's get into it and check out the all-new Bellroy Transit Carry-On Plus in this really snazzy bronze color. Alright guys, so we're back in the office. I have yet to unpack and I just wanted to show you the awesome Bellroy Transit Carry-On Plus. As always, check my link down below because if there's a coupon or a sale going on, that's where you're going to get the most up-to-date and relevant and cheapest pricing available. So I'll always throw some links down there for you guys to check out. But the Transit Carry-On Plus is going to run you about $329. And this is the larger version, again, in the most awesome bronze color. They also have a Everglade, a chalk, and a black. But again, I think this one looks really nice, especially in a sea of black suitcases around the airport. It only weighs just a tad under 7 pounds, so for a 39-liter suitcase, it's actually doing pretty good on the weight size. Now, speaking of size, guys, this might work with airlines. It might not work with airlines. Again, they do have a smaller version called the Transit Carry-On. That, as the name implies, is going to allow you to travel with most airlines when it comes to taking it on the plane with you. But the plus size is perfect for that kind of middle ground where you need a little bit more space than a carry-on will provide you, and you need a lot less space than an actual full-size suitcase will. I actually packed for about 5 days in this Transit Carry-On Plus, and I had more than enough. I probably didn't even use mostly everything that I packed in here. So I'm happy with the size, guys. I'm happy with the weight. I'm happy with the color. And let's just talk about another thing that I think was absolutely perfect about the Transit Carry-On Plus. That's how whisper quiet these Hinomoto Lisoff, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, but these wheels right here on the bottom are super, super quiet. I mean, I could not even hear myself rolling this suitcase down the aisle. I know it sounds a little bit funny to say, and I know you might be thinking, hey Jabber, this is only wheels. Why are you talking so much and smiling about some wheels on a suitcase? Well, I don't buy suitcases all that often, to be quite honest with you guys. I think my last suitcase I purchased was about 10 years ago. And I don't know, just having a suitcase that's more modern looking, that's more stylish looking, and whisper quiet definitely makes me smile. And I caught a lot of people, quite honestly, just checking out this suitcase, and I think it is because of the color. Again, the bronze color is absolutely awesome. But yes, these wheels are super, super awesome, guys. Whisper quiet. Whether you're walking between the gates on that really smooth surface in the airport, or you're kind of jumping over cobblestones or whatnot, these wheels will remain quiet and super durable. Sorry, I couldn't resist one more turn. Again, super, super quiet, but let's get off of the quiet tip. And I just want to talk to you a little bit about durability. Now, this is going to give you a 10-year warranty when you buy it from Bellroy directly. So again, check my link down below. But what I like about this suitcase is Bellroy actually had one thing in mind when they designed this Transit Carry-On line. And that not only is durability, but it's also repairability. So you are able to change a couple things on this suitcase if they happen to get damaged within the time frame that you own it. Now, it does come with a 10-year limited warranty, so I'd suspect the parts will be around for about 10 years. Of course, eBay or third-party sellers are also going to be your friend as well. But you are able to change out these handles. If they break, you can also just swap them out and put a new pair of handles on them. And these soft touch handles definitely are a thing that I need to talk about next. But I will come back to those handles. So let's just continue on durability. You can also repair the TSA lock yourself. Now, I know on a couple trips, TSA is not the friendliest, nor are they the gentlest when it comes to opening your suitcase. Sometimes they just do that lock and, well, I'm not going to get into that. But if they do damage your lock, you are able to swap this out. And the telescopic handle on the back as well. Again, I like this kind of exoskeleton type of look. I like the fact that the handle is outside the suitcase. Not only does it give you a little bit more room on the inside, but it also makes it repairable. So well done to Bellroy for thinking of that as well. And I know I spent some time on the wheels. So yes, these wheels on the bottom, you can go ahead and swap them out if you need to. So repairability is the name of the game when it comes to the Bellroy Transit Plus. On the outside as well, you do have some bumpers. So if I get this a little bit closer to the video here, You do have this nice bumper on the outside, and I would say that comes from their inspiration on cell phone cases. I love Bellroy for their cell phone cases, and I'm also a huge fan of their transit line. So I like this bumper on the top, just kind of protects this little Bellroy logo from getting damaged when you're out and about. And speaking of damage, the only couple marks that I have from my one trip are really just superficial. They're just a couple tiny little marks from where, you know, the agents threw my suitcase and whatnot. But the bumper will protect the outside of your suitcase from getting superly damaged. And you also have these really soft grab handles on the side and also on the top here. And these are woven with nylon and polyester. And it makes a difference picking up a premium handle. It just makes you feel premium. And it also makes it easier when it's going round and round on the luggage turn to just go ahead and quickly grab your suitcase. So I really like the grab handles. They're very soft. And overall, this definitely is a great buy if you're looking for new suitcases. The telescopic handle on the back also has a couple size adjustments. So again, perfect for anyone. I'm 6'1", and I have no problems with this suitcase. Definitely easily rollable. And if you're a little shorter, a little taller, you'll be able to find that perfect height. And you also have a really cool Bellroy logo on the top of it as well. Let's go ahead and open up the Transit Carry-On Plus, because as they say, beauty's on the inside, not only on the out. So let's go check this out. And it's super easy to unlock very, very quickly. Now, let's just go ahead and open up the Transit Carry-On Plus here. So this is the inside of the Bellroy Transit Plus, and as someone who's never been the perfect packer, and excuse me guys if you wanted to see a perfectly packed suitcase, I've never been the one to do that. Again, this is a real world type of review. This is a real world kind of scene in motion. But what I like about the Bellroy case is even if you're a little messy packer and you just don't know how to maximize the space, thanks to having these packing cells on the inside, you can actually keep everything well organized and definitely well intact. The larger one has enough space for an iPad Pro that I have here. You can even throw in a laptop if you wanted to, and it would keep it secure, kind of keep it in the center of the suitcase to ensure that it doesn't get bumped around all that much. Easily accessible thanks to some very durable zippers and also this nylon mesh right here. So let's just go ahead and put this aside just like that. Now closing this up, this is where you'll get your main compartment, and hopefully there's nothing too embarrassing on the inside here. But again, plenty of space for enough clothes, again, for about a 5-day stay. So you can see here I have enough clothes in here. If we put all my clothes aside, you can see I have a huge pocket here. Again, plenty of space for larger items like jeans or a suit if you happen to wear suits, or even just if you wanted to pack a lot of clothes and whatnot like I do. So let's just go ahead and put these right back on the inside here. And if we take a look at the other side, you have two smaller packing cells. One that's great for, say, cables and whatnot. And you have another one that will be great for, say, your undergarments or anything like that. And these are removable, so you can go ahead and just unclip them from the bottom. They just have little clips right here. Let's just go ahead and unclip these. These are your packing cells once again. So you have the larger and the smaller one. Again, nicely done if you wanted to put some perishables or some items that you don't want to roll around in your suitcase. Very nice quality packing cells as well. Very, very cool that Bellroy's included them. And I like the fact that you always see these mesh, so you can just quickly kind of take a look and see what's inside without having to open them up. And underneath that, you have another side that has a larger compartment for your garments and whatnot. Even if you wanted to pack some hot sauce, you can go ahead and throw that in without it getting damaged. But a lot of space on this side as well. 39 liters capacity. You have a lot of space to put just about everything you want on the inside here. And you do have this really soft premium lining as well. In my opinion, this is the perfect size for those of you that want that sweet in-between spot between an actual full-size luggage and a carry-on. But again, very awesome that you can pack everything you need for a 5-day stay. And if you're a better packer than me, you could probably get a month's stay out of the Transit Plus. Again, I'm not the best packer. Maybe I got to watch a couple videos on how to properly pack a suitcase. But whether you know how to pack a suitcase or not, this is going to be the ultimate when it comes to a travel carry-on. To summarize my thoughts on the Transit Carry-On Plus, I am very happy that I got this. I think that if you're looking for that sweet spot in between a full-size luggage and just a regular carry-on isn't for you, you just need a little bit more space, this is something you should definitely take a look at. The Transit Carry-On Plus is the perfect sweet spot as far as I'm concerned. And I love the looks of it, especially in this bronze color. I think the chalk would look pretty sweet as well, but it all depends on your style. I think this is really awesome, and I think Bellroy definitely hit it out of the park. Everywhere you look on the Transit carry-on, you just smile and you see little logos everywhere, little Bellroy logos everywhere. They have the quietest wheels that I've ever seen on any type of suitcase or even not heard in an airport. And it's just all around very premium. You could tell that Bellroy didn't skip any corners when it comes to the Transit carry-on line. The bumpers on the front, the integrated lock, the very, very nice soft handles on the front there, and of course the repairability is something I actually really like as a tech guy. But let me know what you think about the Transit carry-on Plus down in the comments below. And my only comment to Bellroy is, when is your full line coming out? I would definitely be interested in that. But I appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.